If you've ever thought, I make decent money, so why does it feel like I'm always broke? This video is for you. Because most people don't have an income problem, they have a visibility problem. Money feels tight not because you're irresponsible, but because you don't see the full picture. And when you don't see it, you assume the worst about yourself. You are not bad with money, you're just not tracking it. Here's the uncomfortable truth. What gets measured improves. What gets ignored multiplies. And untracked spending multiplies quietly. Every dollar you spend falls into one of three buckets: fixed expenses, variable expenses, invisible expenses. Let's break that down. Fixed expenses are predictable. Rent, car payment, insurance, subscriptions you actually remember signing up for. These usually stay the same every month. If your fixed expenses are too high compared to your income, you'll feel pressure constantly. Variable expenses change month to month. Groceries, eating out, fuel, shopping, entertainment. These don't look dangerous individually, but together, they drift. And drift is expensive. This is the one that surprises people. Invisible expenses are small, recurring charges you stopped noticing. Streaming services, app subscriptions, auto-renewals, delivery fees, bank fees. They're not dramatic, they're just consistent. And consistency is powerful in both directions. When you don't separate these three buckets, everything blends together. And when everything blends together, it feels like, I don't know where my money goes. That uncertainty creates stress. Stress makes you avoid looking, and avoidance keeps the cycle going. Here's what I want you to do. Open your bank app. Look at the last 30 days. No judgment, just sort your spending into those three buckets: fixed, variable, invisible. That's it. You're not cutting anything yet. You're observing. Most people don't need a massive income increase. They need clarity. Because once you see where your money goes, you regain control. And control feels better than guilt. Money feels tight when it's unmanaged. It feels calm when it's structured. In the next video, we're going to talk about debt and how to tackle it without shame or panic. You're not bad with money. You're learning the system.